Alone on a frozen island, a starving predator faces a choice: risk everything for one meal or slowly waste away. He hasn't eaten in months. Every rib shows beneath his matted fur. His body is consuming itself. Exhausted from swimming miles through icy water, he can barely stand, but hunger doesn't wait. The next morning, fog rolls in from the sea, turning the island into a ghost world. Through the fog, the bear senses them, a walrus herd, thousands of pounds of meat, but nothing is easy here. The walruses know, their bellows echo warnings, a predator is near. Adults instantly close ranks, mothers shield their young. Together they form a fortress of blubber and bone. Using fog as cover, the bear approaches. Stealth is his only advantage now. He faces a wall of tusks and fury. Each walrus weighs more than twice what he does. Hunger screams at him to attack. Survival warns him to retreat. He has seconds to decide. He commits, charging forward, claws extended, desperation turning to violence. Tusks slash the air, each one capable of piercing through muscle and bone. The wall holds firm. His claws are useless against their armored hide. Arctic gulls watch from ice perches. Scavengers always know when death is near. One mother shields her calf. If the bear reaches them, both will die. He tries again. If he can just separate one, pry mother from calf. But her hide is 3 inches thick. His claws barely scratch the surface. The herd retreats toward the sea. Once they reach water, the hunt is over. Time is running out. His first meal in months is slipping into the ocean. The walrus is immensely powerful. It drags the bear toward the water, toward its domain. His strength is gone. Starvation has left nothing in reserve. It slips away, into the water, into safety. The herd vanishes beneath the waves. Unity and strength have won. He stands in the water, exhausted, still hungry, and more desperate than before. An Arctic fox watches from the rocks. Even failed hunts create opportunities for others. He returns to the rocks. The hunger remains. Tomorrow he must try again, or die. The Arctic forgives nothing. Here, strength alone is never enough. Survival isn't guaranteed. Not for the strong, not for the desperate, not for anyone. In the Arctic, there are no villains, only survivors, and those who don't survive.